It's easy to keep your phone up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. We'll walk you through how to update your device wirelessly. Before you start, make sure you back up your phone, connect it to power, and connect it to the internet. When there's an update available, you might get a notification which you can tap to start the update process, or a badge might appear on the Settings app icon on your home screen. To check for an update, open Settings. Swip to the System Update and tap it. You can tap Install overnight if you want to wait until later, and your phone will update overnight while it's locked, connected to Wi-Fi, and battery is sufficiently charged. Or, to update right away, tap Install Now. If you want to wait until later, tap Restart Overnight and your phone will restart overnight. To update right away, tap Restart Now. The phone will restart right away.